Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. jroze is back. jroze, do you want to pick a box or do you want me to roll for it again? What up, Spoofy Face? How you doing, man? How you doing? Roll it. Alright, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. If we roll a 5 or a 6, we'll roll again. Box 1. Box 1, box 1. Good luck, man. Alright, no base, just inserts and autos. What's going on, Spoofy? How you been, man? How you been? Guys, buy into those RPS breaks. I'm giving away $1,000 in break credit. I'm surprised I haven't even tempted John to buy like a $12 spot so he could try and get $100 in break credit, because we're giving away 10 $100 break credit spots. And then he can break again, because John doesn't break anymore. See what I did there, John? See what I did there? Last night I called it. I said the $9 Panthers were going to win $50 in break credit. And guess what happened? The $9 Panthers won $50 in break credit. Alright, cool, jroze. I will put your points for your direct purchase on your account tonight. I know, John, we've talked about it. Or are these different ones? Told you, buy in Brea, man. The house next door to my parents is for sale. It's calm, it's secluded. Oh, you just found out yesterday? Damn. Sorry, John. That's terrible, man. I'm sorry. It's frustrating. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we got Alex Galchenyuk. McGinn. Well, there's your Matthews. You didn't specify you wanted an autograph, jroze, so I'll give you this Matthews. Silver skates. There's another Austin Matthews. That's terrible, John. See, we like to have some fun in here. Everything's pretty lighthearted. O'Connor. Panarin. Benning. Line. That Line is not short printed. Hopefully, man. Sidney Crosby. Weir something. And Vladimir Tarasenko. Seidenberg. Is it a sign of the times? It's a Future Watch. It's for the Red Wings. Little Bertuzzi, who signed all of these with the date. Bertuzzi signed all of these with the date. Tyler Bertuzzi. Oh, that was 268. Come on. 268 of 999. Go that way. Ooh, we got a Great White North. That's an update from last year. That set actually has a lot of good players in it. Alright. We got Mitch Marner. Rene Bourque. Konecki. Alright. Future Watch. Gunsel. Out of $9.99, that is $370 of $9.99. And got a Great White North. Who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be In My Face? Nope. Anyone know who that is? I don't know who that is. Because it's Ryan O'Reilly. Ryan O'Reilly. Great White North. Insert. The Goosenetzel is? Nice. Did not know that. Ryan O'Reilly. Canada. I know that set last year sold well because Canadians liked it. Alright, thanks J-Rose. Another 3 auto box.